From Derry Quay we sailed away on the 23rd of May. We were taken on board by a pleasant crew bound for America. Fresh water then we did take on 5,000 gallons or more, in case we'd run short going to New York, far away from the Shamrock shore. Then fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise unto Derry town. And twice farewell to my comrades brave that dwell on that sainted ground. If fame or fortune shall favour me, and I to have money in store, I'll go back and I'll wed the wee lassie I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. At 12 o'clock we came in sight of famous Mullenhead, and Istrokel to the right stood out on the ocean's bed. A grander sight ne'er met my eyes than e'er I saw before, than the sun going down twixt sea and sky, far away from the Shamrock shore. We sailed 3 weeks, we were all seasick, not a man on board was free. We were all confined unto our bunks, and no one to pity for me. No father kind, nor mother dear, to lift up my head, which was sore, which made me think more on the lassie I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. The other side after 15 and 20 days. We were taken as passengers by a man and led round in 6 different ways. Then each of us drank a parting glass in case we'd meet no more. And we drank a health to old Ireland and Paddy's green Shamrock shore.